What is up, my classic car YouTubers? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Scott, aka Papa G. You know that guy, that's the Rooster. We're back bringing you another video of classic cars and trucks for sale, all of them listed on Facebook by private sellers. If you're interested in any one of these cars, check in the description below this video. You'll see the links to each and every one of them so you can get a closer look for yourself. Hope you enjoy the entire video. Watch all the way to the end. Rooster's gonna tell a couple of jokes. You're probably not gonna laugh, but we're gonna give him a shot. Be sure to click that thumbs up button. That lets YouTube's algorithm know to send our videos out to all the other classic car enthusiasts. Also, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. Click that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you get notifications of every time me and the Rooster pop out a new video. So, without any further ado, check out these classic cars.
Come on, let's go!
And the very first one we have for you today is a gorgeous 1955 Cadillac DeVille. It's listed out of Tennessee for $68K. That's $68,000. Next car I have for you is a 1967 and they're asking $40K. Dogs, I am trying. All right, let's try this one again. Next up for you, I got a 1967 Ford Fairlane. Comes to us out of Florida and they're asking $40,000. Okay, my next car is...
Hey, Papa G!
What do you want, Rooster?
I got a classic car joke for you.
Okay. Rooster's gonna tell you a joke.
What do you call an electric vehicle when it drifts?
I don't have a clue where this is going.
The electric slide.
Now, up next, I got a 1948 Studebaker coming to you out of Oklahoma, and they wanting $25K. This one's worth looking at. There's something about them Studabakers. I love them. Anyway, my next car is actually a truck. I've got a 1965 Chevrolet C10. Comes to us out of California, and they're asking $18,500. Hey, up next, I got a 1964 Pontiac GTO convertible. Woo, there's something about them GTOs. That's the GOAT, baby. It comes to us out of Florida, and they're asking $65,000. We're gonna try a new segment on this video. If you like me and like to get your hands dirty, like I did with that one back there, here's you a project car. It's a 1956 Oldsmobile 88. It comes to us out of Indiana, and they're only asking $5,500. The next car we have for you is a 1971 Mercury Cougar XR7. It comes to us out of Texas, and they're asking $21,900. The next car I have for you is a 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback. It's coming to us out of Arizona. They're asking $35,000. What's that, Rooster? Oh, he wants me to move over. Says I'm blocking his shot. How's that, buddy?
That's much better.
Okay, our next one is a 1977 MGB. It comes to us out of Tennessee, and it's listed for $9,995. That's cheap enough. And up next, we got a 1951 Oldsmobile 98. It's coming to you listed out of Illinois, and they're asking $9,000. And our next car for you is a 57 Chevrolet Belair. Comes to you out of Tennessee. The folks are asking for $26,000. And our final car from the United States this week is a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. It's a convertible. It's gorgeous, just in time for spring. Get out there and get you this thing. It's down in Florida, and it's for $45K. All right, comes to my favorite part of the video. We're gonna look at a few cars from up at our buddies up north in Canada. So here's our first listing. We have a 1964 Ford Thunderbird in Ontario for $20,000.
Hit the beach.
My next car from Canada is a 1954 Buick Sentry. It's in British Columbia. It is $89,000. Check this one out. And last but definitely not least, from up there in Canada, it's a 1970 Dodge Dart from British Columbia. It's listed for $28K. You gotta love them Mopars. Rooster said that I need to remind you guys that if you're interested in any of these cars in the video, check in the description down below, click the word more, and it'll open up a whole nother section. It'll have every link to every car we just went through. If you click on that link, it'll take you directly to the Facebook page on the ad that it's listed at. You can read the owner's descriptions, you can check the cars out for yourself, and who knows, maybe message them and give them a call, get you one of these beauties. Until next week, if I enjoyed bringing you another classic car video, we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video on your Facebook pages with all your friends that are into classic cars, and we'll see you next week. Come on, let's go. Rooster says I'm in the shot again. He's getting to be a bit of a diva. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Come on, let's go.